guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of elegant crystal tea light holders. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of these Angels Tears pendants, and they are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 1 pack of these silver place card holders, and you're also going to need a large piece of white foam board from Dollar Tree. Now I will be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 on epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items, I will link those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant crystal tea light holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.